Hi friends, this is the third video of finding the page faults and it is the worst fit. So we have already discussed first fit and best fit, and now today we are going to discuss about worst fit using the same question. And I know that you are very similar with the question now. It is 5 partitions. No need of repeating the question, so I'm straightly going to answer, and 5 processes, right? And both are in order. And now let's draw the table. Write down the processes. And then rename them. Right, up to this point it is similar as the previous first fit and best fit. Now see what happens in worst fit. You take one process and bring it here and check in which partitions we can place it, and from those partitions you have to place the process in the largest partition, which means when you place the process in the particular partition, the available space is large, right? So what happens in the worst fit is the total opposite of the best fit, right? You have to place the process in the largest partition, right? So let's start with P1. P1 112, you can place it in these 4 partitions, and from these 4 partitions the largest, that is why it is called the worst, because you get a large amount of available space. So which partition? 600, this partition. So you can place P1 here, and here of course you have to find the available space. So let's calculate it. 600 minus 112, which is 488. So we have 488 space here. Done with P1 and then P2. P2 it is 450. So you can see we can't place it here, here or here, but you can place it in these 2 partitions, 500 and 488. So from these 2, which is the largest? Yes, obviously it is 500. So you can place P2 here and calculate the available space. It is 50. Done with P2, let's move to P3. 317. So you can't place it here, here or here, and can't place it here, but you can place it here. P3. Done with P3 as well. And now let's move to P4. It is 255. So you can see that you can't place it here, here, here or here, and you can place it in this partition, which is 300. P P4. So we're done with P4 as well. Now let's see, can we place P5 at least in this? Because we couldn't place it in first fit or best fit. And here also you can see we can't place process 5 because there is no space in each of every partition here which we can place P5. So here also I know that you got the answer, you know the answer. The answer is one page fault. So, sorry, no S here again, one page fault. So for this also, we can't place the process file, it is left behind, so there is a one page fault. So we are done with worst fit as well. I think you got what you have to do, and I discussed all three ways, all three types: best fit, first fit and worst fit. So if you missed the previous videos, you can find the links of them. They are given in the description. So let's meet from a new series. Thank you.